Hello everyone, I'm Halfin. I work in the mobile broadband team at 3, and I'd like to talk to you today about a great new innovation we've got with our MiFi product. For anyone who hasn't heard about MiFi, where have you been? We launched it last autumn. It's basically a great little device that gives you Wi-Fi internet access wherever you go, and able to connect any Wi-Fi device like an iPod Touch, laptop, DSi, all of that kind of stuff. And the innovation is a new product or a new variant we've got, which is called in-car Wi-Fi. So we had a lot of feedback from our customers that one of the areas that they'd like to be able to use the product is in the car. So we put together a little bundle which makes it easy to do that, and we're going to give it a bit of a test drive just to see how it works for ourselves and to show you how it can be of use. So let's go. So as you can see, we're out on the road, and thank you for my lovely colleague Sarah, who's driving us for a lunchtime draw in her Fiat 500. So I just want to tell you a bit about what's going to be in the package, and then we'll look at some devices and apps which will enable you to get the most out of your MiFi product. So price point for this is going to be $59.99. For that you get lovely shiny MiFi with 1 gig of data included, a car charger so you can keep it powered up from the car on long motorway journeys. There'll also be a mains charger in the box, and a dinky little holder, as it doesn't have its own seat belt, which means you can stick it to your dashboard or to the windscreen or window, so you can get the best reception kind of possible. So very, very simple to put together. So charger plugs in, into the charger slot, stick the holder on the back of the MiFi, and then in this instance we're just going to stick it to the dashboard there, and you're ready to rock and roll. So I've got my iPod Touch here. I just want to have a look at a few apps or applications where it might be useful to have this running in the car. So I'm just going to check I've got a connection. So go to settings, Wi-Fi, and there it connects to my 3 wireless modem. Brilliant. I haven't really got to do enough DIY this weekend, so I'm really desperate to go to home base this lunchtime. So I'm going to look to see if there's a home base locally, and see if I can find it on the map, and see if I can get some directions from Google. So I've typed in home base Maidenhead, got up the address and the map. Looks like it's pretty close, but I'm going to go into the map and see how we find our route. If you've not used Google Maps on the iPod Touch, it's absolutely spectacular. So it's located home base for me on Staffton Way. Now I'm going to find out how I get there from where we are now. So type in the route, and it looks like it's a pretty straight run just down the A308, and should be there in 17 minutes. So my colleague's conversation is boring me a bit, so I'm going to download some music to see if I can keep us entertained. Right. So let's go into iTunes, see what they've got available. So I'm just going to see what's on the top 10, so let's have a look at what's on iTunes. So we've got Scanning for Girls, Plan B, Usher, Lady Gaga. Any preferences, guys?
Gaga.
Gaga?
Every time. Let's
go. Okay, cool. 99p sounds reasonable enough. Right now, sorry, just hide my password. So now it's downloaded. Let's go in and have a listen. My Google Maps serves me correct, we should be coming up to home base now. Yep, there it is. Gaga still on the background. So if we can just put in there, I'll pick up some summer bloom, some paint, and perhaps a bucket, as your driving's been a little bit more bumpy than we would have expected.
Sorry.
Home base, hey! Thank you iPod, thank you Sarah, thank you viewers.